presentation is a fish dish. This is a catfish, or in Bengali we call Aar Fish, Aar Mach. I've taken 4 pieces of Aar Mach, catfish, and I'm going to make a paste out of 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, white sesame seeds, shada til, white til, 1 teaspoon of snauf, fennel seeds, mohri, a small piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon of red chili paste. Here I've taken 1 medium sized tomato, grated this, and here I will be taking 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, half teaspoon of haldi powder, salt according to taste, and I'm going to cook this in til or sesame oil. First of all, I will fry the fish and make a paste out of all these ingredients. Then I have fried the fish, made the paste, and in the same oil I will be doing the rest of the cooking. The first, this tomato puree will go, and then this paste. Add a little water. When the oil separates, add a little water. আমি আজকে মশলাগুলো আগে ইয়েটা দিলাম, টমেটোটা দিলাম, তারপর যেটা বাটলাম মশলাটা সেটা দিয়ে দিলাম। যখন তেল ছাড়ছে তখন একটু জল অ্যাড করলাম। add water according to your requirement, যতটা জল আপনাদের দরকার হবে ততটা জল, and then add the fried fish. Cover it up for 2-3 minutes. So this is done. Please try it out. If you like it, then give me a like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much.